The worst challenge we have ever done. We're eating dog treats. I hope I get the peanut butter one, not the cheese or bacon one, but supposedly they're made out of all human food, but I don't believe that since it says it contains horse hooves. So, what?
Harry, you know you can choose a peanut butter one.
Wait, where?
I think this one's a peanut butter.
Oh yeah. Wait, what?
Yeah, this one, I got peanut butter. Haha.
Wait, where's
Alright,
the
here we
peanut
go.
butter? I want the peanut butter.
Okay, get a peanut butter.
You know, I'm gonna use this bacon one actually.
Alright, here we go.
Or do
Wait,
y'all
let me
want
smell
a
it?
cheese?
That's the one I had last time.
I'm gonna do a
I did.
cheese.
Okay, good cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Alright, here we go. Here we go.
everybody.
Eat it whole.
Cheese. Yeah.
Okay,
Why
3,
not?
2, 1.
Oh. Horse hose. Horse hose. Oh, I'm about to throw up.
Why would you want peanut butter?
I'm pissed at peanuts.
Don't taste peanut.
What the heck? What? That's terrible. No way. Oh, that's terrible. Ugh. As I said, that's the worst challenge we have ever done. Oh.